Hello, and time for another Crimson Desert tutorial, and I'm going to show you how to beat Saigord the Staglord. Now, this guy is pretty tough, and he also has 3 phases in the battle, kind of like Elden Ring, where some of the bosses, once you think you beat him, then they come back and they have full power again. So this is kind of resembling that. Now, he has a lot of different attacks. He has that jump attack he just did, and if you're in his way, you're going to take damage. He has combos. Usually it's in either like 2 straight attacks or like 3 attacks. And if you're good at dodging, just dodge out of those out of the way. And then usually you can run up to him and get a couple hits in him after you dodge, if you are able to get out of the way, especially if you dodge him when he puts his shield down. Then you can probably get 2 or 3 heavy attacks, but don't stay in closely. He will body slam you like he just did me. And make sure you have ice resistance. I have a cloak that I got in town and got ice resistance, but it's only like level 3, and I got it from the contribution box in town. And then there's these little soups that you can get, which will give you like a level 4 ice resistance. And the little guys that you fight leading up to this guy, like his little minions, they will drop that soup. And that's what I have equipped right now. And just make sure you have a lot of food available, just in case you're not really good at dodging. Like, I am not the best at dodging and rolling out of the way, but you're going to just roll out of the way and take some hits on him. Usually 2 or 3 heavy attacks, and then try to get out of the way again, because he's going to come right at you. And sometimes that first heavy attack might stagger him. Alright, so I beat him the first round, and the first time I was fighting him, I was like, whoa, that was not too bad. But then he came back, and then he has full health again. So he has that little running attack, which is really easy just to dodge out of the way from it. He does his little combo, and then you go in and take some attacks, heavy attacks. There you go. And then he does this little charge attack, and you can just try to roll out of the way and keep feeding yourself whenever you get low on health. So that's kind of the name of the game with this guy. He has 2 or 3 combos right at one after each other, and then you dodge and go right in there and give him a couple attacks. And then he'll do that little run move. He'll do a body slam if you're close to him. And then he'll do this really big jump move. So just make sure you're not in his way. Alright, you can run up to him, and a lot of times if you do 2 heavy attacks, you might, oh, he got me with that little run. See that? And that did a heap ton of damage. So I'm going to heal up here, and then dodge out of the way. There we go, there we go. Okay, and then go 2 heavy hits, and that might stagger him, and then you can get a couple more in before he recovers and does an attack right away. Okay, he does his little charge attack. Got me again. Again, like I said, I'm not the best at dodging every single swing that foes do against me. But if you have a good supply of food, you'll be fine. And you notice I'm not really using my shield. You can block some of his attacks. His special attacks are kind of hard to block, but if I had my shield out, I could, just as normal swings, I could block those as well. Okay, I'm just going to run around. There he is. He's charging up an attack. Just run away or just kind of dodge. Again, I just got hit by that second hit. Alright, go in. He got me with that little dodge, dodge, dodge. It's either two heavy attacks, or like 1, 2, 3. I just was able to block that one with my shield. Alright, I got him the second time. Now he's getting bloody and he's getting really mad. And he's going to be a little bit more aggressive, but he really only has the same kind of 4 or 5 attacks. The 1, 2, 3 kind of combo, and then a 2 combo. Then he's got a heavy attack. And then he has his jump attack, and he has his like bulldoze, like he just got me right there with his bulldoze attack. And again, if you're really good at dodging and rolling out of the way, then he's not going to be too much trouble for you, I don't think. Just make sure you have your ice resistance. I ran out of that soup, so I'm just really relying on normal food in my cloak for the ice resistance. And then we're just going to keep whittling them away. Definitely let me know in the comments how much time you put into beating this guy. Usually if someone's going to search for a tutorial on how to beat someone, they probably spent a while trying to beat him. But he's not really super difficult if you're really good at dodging, as I mentioned. Rolling away. There I was too close to him when he did a jump attack. And again, right there. He just did a wicked combo. So I'm definitely going through a lot of my food just to stay healthy. Keep going at him, keep going at him. There we go. Getting him down, getting him down. Halfway now, almost there. There you go. Try to get a couple heavy attacks and stagger him, and then get another couple more attacks in on him before he does his combos right away. Oh, he got me on another bulldoze attack. Almost died right there. Okay, he's getting ready to do something. Here we go. Just jump out of the way here. Run in and get a couple attacks on him. Jump out of the way of that bulldoze. He's coming right at me. He's going to power up. Big attack. Oh, I missed it. I did not get out of the way in time. There we go. A couple swing attacks. Just got 4 good hits on him. And then he hit me with almost all those combos. And he's almost done. Here we go. A couple swings, charge attack. And he got me. Didn't do too much damage though that time. Oh, I pushed the wrong button. Okay, we're getting close. Jump out of the way. He's going to do his shield, and right when he does his shield attack, if you're close enough, you can whack him while his shield is down. Oh, he bulldozed me again. Alright, I'm going to run away here. Here we go. Jump out of the way. He got me in the back again. There we go. A couple more hits, one more hit, and finally got him. So there we go. It is kind of a lengthy battle. That whole battle took about 9 minutes. Again, the name of the game here is just dodging, rolling out of the way of his double combo attack or his triple combo. And then you have to look out for that bulldoze, look out for that shield bat or shield slam to the ground, and look out for that jump attack where he just jumps straight up. So as long as you have a lot of health and as long as you have some resistance to cold, you'll just have to whittle him down and just keep dodging and hitting, and there you go. Hopefully this will help you out a little bit. Let me know if this was helpful to you or not. And there you go. That is another Crimson Desert tutorial. Make sure you take this guy out. It's not necessary to complete the story, but you will get his shield, which is a pretty cool shield, the Staglord's shield. I like that better than the one I have right now. So it's a great little shield. So there you go. Take care and happy gaming, everyone.